Let's head back out onto the track where Monroe College Class 1 discus thrower Rajeem Streete is eyeing a podium finish at the upcoming Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships, even as he works on overcoming setbacks caused by Hurricane Melissa. Streete threw 56.16 meters to win the Class 1 Boys discus at the recent J3A's Anderson Fuller Development Meet held at Manchester High recently. Streete, who was third in the event in Class 1 at Champs last year, assessed where on the podium he feels he currently is in his preparation.
Right now, I'll be about second, but feel I have a lot more work to do before I can say second or third even.
Streete also revealed that he would have been further ahead in his preparation for Champs were it not for Hurricane Melissa.
Yes, we missed out almost a month of training, which very, very horrible, because all that work before Hurricane basically went back to zero and we have to start back over, and now just have to put in an extra bit more to fill in the gap that we lost by Melissa.
The Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships is set for March 24 to 28 at the National Stadium.